Dear friends, yesterday in the last video we have concluded to know about the adjective. So in today's video we will discuss about the kinds of adjective. So let's start. First type of adjective is called adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. Look at the examples. Karachi is a large city. He is an honest man. The foolish old crow tried to sing. This is a grammar of the English. Okay, so now if you observe in this, we have the first large is the adjective, and he is an honest man. Is honest is the adjective, and here in the third we have the adjective foolish, and in the fourth we have the adjective grammar. So now we can define it. The descriptive adjective or the adjective of quality show kind or quality of a person or thing. It shows what? It shows the kind or quality of a person or thing. Next we have adjectives formed from proper nouns are sometimes called proper adjectives, and they are generally classed in with adjective of quality. How? Now we have the examples like Pakistani, English, French, African, etc. These are all called the proper adjectives because they are formed from proper nouns. Next we have adjective of quantity. I ate some rice. He showed much patience. He has a little intelligence. We have had enough exercise, and you have no sense. Okay, now if you observe the sentence in there, we have in the first sentence some is the adjective of quantity. In the second we have much. In the third we have little, and fourth we have enough, and in the fifth we have no. So definition will be the adjective of quantity show how much of a thing is meant. How much a thing. Okay, adjective of quantity tells about the how much of a thing is meant, and the adjective of quantity answer the question how much. Next we have adjective of number or numeral adjectives. Examples are the hand has 5 fingers, few cats like cold water, there are no pictures in this book, and I have taught you many things. So here in the first example we have 5 numeral adjective and few in the second sentence. In the third sentence we have no, and in the last we have many are the adjective. So definition would be adjectives of number show how many persons or things are meant, or in what order a person or thing stands. Okay, so this is the definition. Next, adjectives of number or numeral adjectives are of 3 kinds. Now we have 3 further kinds of numeral adjectives. The first one is definite numeral adjectives. Definite numeral adjectives which show or which denote an exact number. What is exact number? Like here we have 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 100, 1000, 1000, 1 lakh, etc. These are called cardinals. Okay, cardinals. And in the second we have first, second, third, 10th, 20th, 40th, 15th. So these are called the ordinals. Okay, so ordinals and cardinals are further type of definite numeral adjective. Second, we have indefinite numeral adjectives. Indefinite numeral adjectives which do not denote an exact number, which do not show the exact number, like we have all, no, few, some, any, certain, several, and sundry. These are all called indefinite numeral adjectives. Thirdly, we have distributive numeral adjectives. Distributive numeral adjectives which refer to each one of a number. Each one of a number. How? Look at the example. Each boy must take his turn. India expects every man to do his duty, and on either side is a narrow lane, and the last we have neither accusation is true. So the numeral distributive numeral adjective has already been underlined, so there is no be tension. We have only four distributive numeral adjectives, and they only denote or show refer to each number of each one of a number. Next, we have the same adjectives may be classed as quantity or number according to its use. Okay, in the earlier you have studied about the adjectives of quantity, and we have used many, few, and other like such adjectives. But those again we have used in the numeral adjective. So, what is the difference between these two? Look at this adjective of quantity in yellow and adjectives of number in blue. So here we have I ate some rice. Now here some is what? Some is adjective of quantity. And some boys are clever. Now here boys is used as adjective of number. He has lost all his wealth. Now here all is used as the adjective of quantity, but sorry, all men must die. Now here all is used as adjective of number. You have no sense, and no here is used as adjective of quantity, and there is no picture in the room, so no here is used as adjective of number. He did not eat any rice, any, and are there any mango trees in this garden? So now here any is used as number. I have enough sugar. Now here enough is used as the adjective of quantity, and there are not enough spoons. So now in the last sentence, enough spoons, enough is used as adjective of number. Okay, now all of you have observed in the adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity, the same adjective like some, all, no, any, and enough. So after them you may see the nouns which are uncountable. Which are what? Which are uncountable. So we may say that adjective of quantity um, refers to or qualifies the uncountable nouns, rather the countable, and adjectives of number shows or describes or modifies or adds in the meaning of nouns, and that nouns are what? That nouns are countable. Now here some rice. Now rice is what? Is uncountable, and that is called adjective of quantity. But here after some we may see boys, so boys are countable, and men here in the second sentence, and in the third we have picture, mango trees, and spoons. So all these nouns are in countable nouns, so we may easily distinguish or recognize between the difference between these two, adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number. Adjective of number qualifies the countable nouns, and adjective of quantity qualifies uncountable nouns. So this was the difference. So Dear friends, this was today's lecture, today's video, and we shall discuss further kinds of adjectives in the coming video. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.